In front of me is OPPO Find X9 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on a suggestion strip at the top of your Gboard. To enable suggestion strip, you need to enter devices settings and scroll all the way down right away. Then click on System and Update, Input Method, Manage Keyboards over here, and finally Gboard. Now all you need to do is click on Corrections and Suggestions to scroll and use this switcher next to Suggestion Strip. When it's blue, that means that Suggestion Strip was successfully enabled. So let's check it out by entering Gboard again. As you can see, mine became visible. Quick tip: most people miss that after enabling Suggestion Strip, you can click on this gear icon at the top and enter Gboard settings right away. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!